Imagine generating $10,000 plus every month 100% passively with less than 1 hour of work and without you sending us a single cent. I know for some this might sound too good to be true, or you might be skeptical, but just stick with me for the next few minutes so that I can prove to you that this works and explain why I offer this for free. You don't want to miss this. Now, I can guarantee you such results thanks to our proprietary copy trading software and our in-house team of trading experts, but more on that in just a minute. Thanks to the system that I'm about to reveal, Brad from the UK, who has been using this system for the past 6 months, was not only able to pay off the mortgage for his house, but on top of that, it allows him to make an extra monthly income completely passively. Or Marvin from Germany, who just started using our system and was able to quit his job as an Uber driver and is now living his dream life in Thailand. Or Susan from Australia, who was struggling to pay her bills as a single mom and is now able to work part-time thanks to the Investors Academy. We have hundreds more results just like this, but let's focus on you now and how you can achieve financial freedom with the Investors Academy system. I'll reveal how this no-brainer trading system works and how you can make money with it safely in just a second. And I promise I won't tell you hours of boring stories nobody cares about, but just 2 years ago, I was a broke high school graduate who didn't know what to do. But then I discovered this secret trading formula while working at an internship at a 5-star hotel in my hometown that allowed me to take a look behind the curtain of a few rich insiders and how they were using this formula to make billions of dollars without even lifting a finger. And once I discovered this secret trading formula, my life made a 180-degree turn. I went from working at an internship and being a broke student to making hundreds of thousands of dollars while traveling the world in business class, driving expensive supercars, and living the life of my dreams, all while taking care of my family and flying them around the world. So, how am I earning more than any doctor's, lawyer's, or pilot's salary in a month without working a single minute? Well, I managed to take the secret trading formula of those billionaires and use it to my advantage. Of course, I was not able to generate as much money as them because I only had $500 that I had saved up to invest, but even with only that, I quickly started to make thousands and tens of thousands per month, all thanks to this system. Fast forward to today, where I've automated every process of this trading system. We have developed an automatic copy trading system and built a team of in-house trading experts who follow the secret trading formula, which allows me to make hundreds of thousands of dollars from my phone, no matter where I am, without even lifting a finger. And I know you might be skeptical, but we have hundreds of verified 5-star ratings of members who are using this exact same setup to make passive money as well. Such as Brian from Norway, Tom from Sweden, Raquel from Spain, or Harry from the UK. They are all using the Investors Academy to make money completely passively. And as promised, you can access this for free for a limited time only. So, how does it work? Well, it's simple. You just deposit your trading capital in your trading account, so a brokerage account, and then you can already connect your account to our traders. And don't worry, we don't have any access to your funds. You will simply copy the exact same trades our team opens, and I'm following them the same way. And to quickly give you a real-life insight on what it looks like, I can even show you one of my personal accounts, which, as you can see right here, so far today, I'm running a little over $926 in profit simply by copying one of our traders. Now, if you want to get started, just message me GO on Instagram and I will personally help you with the setup. So don't worry, if you're a beginner, this will also work for you. Now, you might be wondering why I would give this away for free if it really works. Simple. I am so confident in our system and my team that we are offering a 100% free, no commitment 30 days trial because I know for a fact that in these 30 days, you will discover the beauty of passive income and you will profit from our system so much that you will want to continue to work with us and become a customer. After your 30 days 100% free trial, the Investors Academy then turns into a subscription of 97 euros a month. But here again, you can cancel this subscription at any time. And even if you start trading with a super small investment, you will make way more profits than the subscription costs. So in short, an absolute no-brainer for you. Have you ever wondered why all these other signal groups don't offer such trials? Simple, because they don't work. Only we are able to make such a no-brainer offer because our system and our traders make consistent profits guaranteed. With us, instead of having to work or trade on your own, you can simply and fully automatically copy the trades of the best investors and traders. You don't need any experience or knowledge, but instead you profit from someone else's expertise, and every position the trader you copy opens will be automatically open on your account. All you have to do is sit back, relax, and watch your wealth grow while the experts do the hard work for you. And the best part? You can start with just $500 and watch it grow over time, and you can do it at any age from anywhere in the world. It's not just the easiest, but literally the most genius way to make money. And if you think that's a big thing to say, just take a quick look at the effect of compound gain, one of the most powerful forces in our universe. One of the most intelligent men that ever lived, Albert Einstein, called the effect of compound gain the eighth world wonder. And Warren Buffett, one of the richest men on our planet, made his hundreds of billions by trading and investing. So by taking advantage of the effect of compound gain. So just to quickly give you one real life example of this immensely powerful effect, if you would, for example, start with just a $500 investment at an average monthly return of 10%, and you would not touch that money, but simply let it compound over time, after 5 years of doing absolutely nothing, your $500 would have turned into $477,000. So if you want to get started, message me go on Instagram and I will guide you through the onboarding process. Now, the only question you might have before wanting to get started straight away is, Emilie, why would expert traders share their strategies instead of keeping all the profits to themselves? Quite simple, copy trading is a win-win situation. Traders can earn extra money without any extra effort, as their job is anyways to analyze the markets and open and close positions, which takes the exact same amount of effort regardless of the number of people copying them. This means they can earn even more money by having hundreds or thousands of people copying them without having any more work. And for investors, it's of course a no-brainer, as they can benefit from the trader's expertise and get a piece of the cake without putting in any time or effort. Copy trading is a mutually beneficial arrangement that allows everyone to achieve their financial goals. And before you think this is too good to be true or a scam, let's be honest. By now, you should have understood that copy trading is not a get-rich-quick scam. It won't turn you into a millionaire overnight. Anyone who promises you something like this is simply a scammer, so be careful out there and continue watching this video. Building wealth and becoming filthy rich isn't a sprint. It's a marathon of smart choices. Everyone who understood copy trading up to this point knows that it's completely safe and transparent and probably one of the easiest and best ways to make money 100% passively. You have full control over your account and you can stop copying a trader at any time if you want. You can also at any point in time add more money to your trading account or take money out, so the control is entirely in your own hands and nothing bad can happen. And the cherry on top, you can see how many people are currently copying a trader, so you're not the first and only one benefiting from this revolutionary system, but instead several hundreds to thousands of others are too. But don't just take my word for it. I receive messages like these every single day. Depending on their account size, people are making hundreds to thousands of dollars in a matter of days or weeks, and some have even quit their jobs and live fully off their investments. All these people are having incredible success with the Investors Academy copy trading, so let me now show you how you can get started with copy trading too. Spoiler alert, it takes less than 5 minutes. So if you want to get started, here are the next steps. First, you message me Go on Instagram to let me know that you've watched the video. Then I will send you the exact instructions on how to deposit your trading capital to your trading account. And again, you don't have to worry, we cannot access this money. It is 100% in your control and on your own trading account, meaning you can also withdraw it at any time if you want. The money that you deposit on your trading account is simply the money that will be used to trade with. And once that is done, you can already start following one of our expert traders and start making money. So just message me the word Go on Instagram and I will personally guide you through the process and answer any questions or concerns you might have. The only thing left that you might still be worrying about is that investing can be scary and it's natural to worry about losing money or making the wrong decisions. But fortunately, this is where I can confidently say that with the Investors Academy copy trading, there is literally nothing to worry about and nothing that can go wrong. This is simply because it's absolutely free to start and you can start trading with a super small investment, wait a few days or weeks, see how it goes, and then you can always add more money or take money out. It's totally up to you, and you can even schedule free calls with the team at any time, so there's literally nothing that you can do wrong. So if you understood the system up to this point, you know it's a no-brainer to just try copy trading for yourself. You've been missing out on hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in the past weeks and months alone. While all these people are already profiting from copy trading 100% passively, making anywhere between 5 to 15% per month, you're still afraid to message me? It is literally free, meaning you don't have anything to lose if you try copy trading for just a month, and I can confidently guarantee you that you will not want to stop after a month. You will discover the beauty of passive income and just let your money work for you passively while you can do whatever you want. It is not just that every moment uninvested is an opportunity missed, but you're basically losing money to inflation every day and minute if you just leave it in a bank account. All you have to do is message me Go on Instagram and then you can copy professional traders who will make you money every single month 100% passively. It really can't get any easier for you. Now, if you're still unsure, have questions, concerns, or just don't know if this works for you, message me Go on Instagram and I will personally help you out. So, if you're ready to change your life, message me Go on Instagram, start for free today and let your funds work, grow, and compound so that you can live a life of freedom. The life of your dreams.